Brother James Naloda, MIDM, NTC Muni UNESCO ASP-net Club. Fellow Africans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow Ugandans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow students, Mother Nature needs attention. Mama, Baba, Mother Nature needs attention. Engule and weya, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow Ugandans, Mother Nature needs attention. Deforestation, bush burning, carbon emission. Deforestation, bush burning, carbon emission. Extreme weather, soil erosion, weather patterns. Extreme weather, soil erosion, weather patterns. Fellow Africans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow Ugandans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow students, Mother Nature needs attention. Mama, Baba, Mother Nature needs attention. Engule and weya, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow Ugandans, Mother Nature needs attention. Recycle the wasto. Reduce, reuse, 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 recycle the wasto. Muni NTC reducing the wasto. Reducing the wasto. Muni NTC reducing the wasto. Reducing the wasto. Muni NTC reusing the wasto. Reusing the wasto. Muni NTC reusing the wasto. Reusing the wasto. Muni NTC recycling the wasto. Recycling the wasto. Muni NTC recycling the wasto. Recycling the wasto. Reducing carbon emission is crucial, baby. Promoting energy saving is crucial, baby. Avoiding deforestation is crucial, baby. Eco-friendly gardening is crucial, baby. Fellow Africans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow Ugandans, Mother Nature needs attention. Fellow students, Mother Nature needs attention. Mama, Baba, Mother Nature